Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to increase your coverage amounts on your Geico life insurance policy in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing we're going to do will be to log into your Geico account. So go ahead and log into your Geico account. You could choose to do that online on the Geico website, or you could choose to do so on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, next you're going to click on policy details, and then you're going to select coverage options. Next, just select the coverage option that you want to increase, and then click edit. And after that, you're going to enter the new coverage amounts. Be sure to check that just to make sure you don't make any mistakes, and click save changes. Now, once the changes have been saved, you want to make sure you review and confirm the changes one more time just to make sure that everything is properly done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to increase your coverage amounts on your Geico life insurance policy in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next